So, firstly, a warm welcome to our channel, Famezo, and thank you so much for giving us your time today for this interview.
Thank you so much for having me.
So, firstly, we would like to know that how are you and, how are you spending your time these days, what routine and schedule you are having?
Uh, See, for me, I think it's so difficult to stay at home because I am somebody who's only worked her entire life. Like post 10th standard to sab pad hi rahe hote. So I was studying, and post that I was studying and simultaneously working. So I'm somebody who has always been out of the house, has always worked for. So someone like that to stay at home, I think it's a big challenge. So yeah, it's been challenging. Honestly, I've had my set of uh, breakdowns. I've had my set of also acknowledging this period. So it's been a kind of a balanced journey where I've also faced breakdowns, but I've also uh, felt blessed because I'm at such a better position than most of the people. So I show gratitude for that. But otherwise, I'm doing everything. Yeah, I'm making auditions. I'm working on scripts. I'm working on characters. I love dancing. I've been dancing. I've been helping my mom with cooking a little bit here and there. So yeah, I'm doing everything that I couldn't do when I was shooting.
Okay. So, we would firstly like to know that how did you came into acting? Was it your childhood dream and how it all started?
It wasn't my childhood dream. In fact, for the longest, I had no idea or no plan as such that I want to get into acting. So, but then I'm somebody who's always been on stage. So even when I was a child, I मतलब शादी में ना मम्मी लोग बोलते बेटा चलो start हो जाओ. So I used to just start dancing anywhere and everywhere. मुझे बस बोल दो dance करने के लिए, and I would just start. I never feared, the audience. I never feared being in front of too many people. During my school days, I've always curricular activities, and I've always been a part of that. In fact, I was somebody who used to be in three dances in one function. So quickly get done with one and then change and get ready for other. So I've always been on stage like that. Like never in my life I thought that I wanted to be an actor because I come from a very small hill station. तो वहाँ पे ऐसा सोचना कि यार एक्टर बनना बड़ी बड़ी बात हो जाती है कि because I did not even know that I will ever come to Mumbai or not, because you're staying in the small hill station and there is no chance ना that if you want to become an actor तुम बन जाओगे. For that you have to leave the city. And I was not very small. So in fact, मैं Bombay जब I came to Mumbai, I was in ninth standard. So from ninth I am in Mumbai. Otherwise I'm from Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand. So तब तो दिमाग में बिल्कुल नहीं था that I wanted to become an actor. यहाँ पे आके भी कभी नहीं सोचा था that I want to become an actor. So I started studying. I gave my CPT. मैंने अपने CA का preparation चालू कर दिया. I gave my CPT entrance and all. And वो phase में I realized that this is not what I like doing. This is not making me happy. What made me happy was being in front of the camera, being on stage, being like performing. भले वो dance हो या skit competition या plays हो. So by time I realized कि oh God, I can't do this for the rest of my life. I can't imagine myself sitting in front of a computer or sitting in an office and doing this for the rest of my life. So that's when I switched and I left my studies and I asked my parents that I need a year. I want to try it out because they wanted me to do MBA and stuff like that. So like, तुम पढ़ाई करो, become MBA कर लो and all that. I was like, oh yeah, they were like side by side. I was like, no, if I want to become an actor, I will give in my all in this particular field. I don't want to keep my legs in two boats and not reach anywhere. यहाँ की भी नहीं और वहाँ की भी नहीं. So then I asked them for a year. I was like, if in 1 year you think I haven't made any progress, तो मैं छोड़ दूंगी and I'll start studying again. So I started auditioning. And again, I had no clues how do I go about it because I had nobody from this field. I didn't come from a acting background. I haven't done any workshops. I haven't been to any acting school. I did not know people who were in this field. So for me, it was like a complete blank page, and I had no idea where to start from. So फिर पता किया कि auditions कहाँ होते हैं मुंबई में, and then मैं जाके auditions देना start करा. I've also 4-5 घंटे रुकना पड़ता है audition क्योंकि एक audition ads से I started. Ads में तुम्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 30 seconds का screen presence मिलता है, not more than that. And imagine for that 30 seconds presence, you have more than 300-400 people auditioning. and who also are experienced and who are such good looking people and who uh, you know who already have some or the other knowledge. तो वो 300-400 लोगों में तुम ऑडिशन दो, 4-5 घंटे रुको for that 30 seconds of presence. So that is how I started my journey. So obviously starting के 4-5 auditions, I was horrible. I had no idea how to give your profile also. तो मैं गई audition देने, like give your profile. I'm like, give my what? I'm like, I have no idea what that is. How do you give your profile? So but then the casting people were very sweet. So touch wood, मेरे साथ ये एक चीज बहुत अच्छी हुई है because मैं जो भी है I am just myself. So if I don't know something, I'll say कि no, I don't know. What is it? मुझे नहीं पता. क्या profile लेनी होती है? So people were so sweet to me. They've been very supportive. कि ऐसा नहीं कि अरे कुछ पता है नहीं, आता है नहीं, आगे ऑडिशन देने, ऐसा किसी के मेरे साथ ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हुआ. टच वुड, I've been blessed like that. So he told me you have to give your to tell कि तुम्हारी एज क्या है, तुम्हारी हाइट क्या है, your name, your profile you have to give and stuff. That is how I started. तो फिर starting के obviously 4-5 auditions I was horrible. I did not crack it. So लेकिन with every audition I learned something. With every time I faced the camera, I learned what I have to do and what I don't have to do. तो उसके बाद पहला audition crack करा, and then उसके बाद तो there was no stopping back. I did almost 20 to 25 advertisements in a year, and for some good brands. I shot with Shah Rukh Khan, so I did ads for some big brands like Perk, Muthoot Gold, Oreo, Eva deodorant. So उसके बाद then मेरे को पहला मेरा वेब शो मिल गया, एंड उसके बाद मुझे मेरे डैड की दुल्हन मिल गया, एंड मेरे डैड की दुल्हन खत्म नहीं हुआ तो मुझे सरगम की साढ़े साथ मिल गया. So then journey has been smooth.
Yeah. We could see, how an amazing journey it has been from auditioning and doing ads, now doing web series and shows. So, talking about your first web series which you did was Brahm. So, how's the experience working for it, and how much did you enjoy working for that character?
I think more than enjoying, I was pretty intimidated because there was such big star cast. We had Kalki, we had Sanjay Suri sir, we had Bhumika Chawla, we had Vikram Kochar, we had Satyamev sir. We had a lot of people actually, and such big names in the industry who've done so many characters, who've done so much of work. So I was very intimidated. I was like, I don't know how I'm going to be. So this was the first full-fledged acting work, because advertisements is like the small snippets and all, और बहुत अलग तरीके का shoot होता है than from web shows and TV shows. So I was very scared also कि पता नहीं if I'll be able to do well or not, if I've got such a good opportunity, will I be able to give justice to that or not. So, but then it was fun. I was in Shimla for almost 2 months, so I enjoyed. I was out of Bombay. I think सबसे अच्छी चीज वो थी, we were shooting in such a beautiful hill station, and I made a lot of friends there. But for the character, I had readings with the director and Kalki and all. So I think that was the best part because I got to learn so much. So, and for an actor who's not, who doesn't have a background or who's not done any workshops or who hasn't come from any acting school, for her, you only learn through experience. So, you grow with all the mistakes and the falls that you do. So I think initially मैंने काफी गलतियां करी हैं जिससे मैं आगे के लिए सीखी. So it's been a very it's been a journey of where I've also learned too much, and where I've also realized that this is something that really makes me happy, and I made a right decision of being in this industry. So character बनाना भी काफी मजे आए थे because we were, like I said, I had readings with Kalki and all. So we used to sit back, we used to work on कि क्या similarities होंगी Kalki और मेरे बीच में, because Kalki used to see me. मतलब उनको एक लड़की दिखती थी. I was playing that character. So we had certain similarities. So we worked on कि क्या similarities होंगी. Like मेरा character का नाम था Aisha. So Aisha had something like she used to always play with her fingers like this now. So Kalki also picked up that from me, and she used to do this. So we worked on quite the character pretty well, yeah. So it was fun, and I also learned.
Yeah. So now talking about your television debut show, which was Mere Dad Ki Dulhan, and you received immense love from that show, and people have loved it so much. So like what was your reaction, receiving so much love and support for the show, then working within such an amazing cast, and the whole experience behind it?
So see, I was very like, I had very second thoughts about whether I want to do TV or not. Because I was like, ये एक हमेशा एक एक्टर के दिमाग में रहता है कि what if you start getting counted as a TV actor, which is I think the most shittiest thing anybody can do, because I think a TV actor works 10 times harder than any other people, because they shoot for 12 hours straight. They are in front of the camera almost 25 days in a month, and we get scripts almost 10 minutes before the scene. We have to prepare for the scene just 10 minutes before we shoot it. So इतना difficult होता है. तो मुझे काफी सेकंड थॉट से whether I should want to do TV or not, and I was like कि अगर टीवी करूंगी तो better be a progressive content, otherwise मैं नहीं करूंगी. तो मेरे डैड की फिल्म की मैंने स्टोरी सुनी, the content was pretty nice, it was progressive, my character was very progressive. I was like, I would want to be a part of something like that, so I couldn't say no to that. In fact, I was shooting for Braham Tabi, and I was not in Mumbai, so I made a self test from my phone and I sent it, because I told them I wouldn't be able to come to the office because I'm not in town. So I just sent it मेरे phone से. I had no clue that and तभी भी मेरे दिमाग में नहीं था that I want to do TV or not. I was like, चलो, because how else will an actor grow? क्योंकि मैं workshops नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैं कहीं नहीं जाती, तो how will I improve? I will only improve by जो भी script आ रही है वो prepare करके at least भेज दूँ. तो वो होगा नहीं होगा that is बाद में की बात, but at least this is how I will learn, this is how I will improve as long as I keep doing scripts. So मैं क्या करती थी, if I want to do TV or not, that is secondary. I would just take the script, I would shoot it and I would send it, thinking कि बाद में देखेंगे कि करना है कि नहीं करना है. So I gave the audition and वो उनको पसंद आ गया, and then they asked me for another audition. I was like, चलो ठीक है, दे देती हूँ, maybe अभी भी नहीं पता करना है कि नहीं करना है. So I made that audition also and I sent it, they liked it and they finalized me. So I had no idea, it just happened. And then it got finalized and then I got to know, तब तक मुझे पता भी नहीं था who the star cast is. बाद में पता चला it's Varun Batola and Shweta Tiwari. मैंने कहा then even better, because I'll get better exposure, because we have such big names of TV in the show. So, but I had never imagined this show would do so much for me, and कि हर कोई मुझे सिर्फ मिया के नाम से जानेगा. So it was huge. Plus, as an actor, I got into acting because I knew this makes me happy, because I want to become an actor. लेकिन ये मैंने बाद में experience किया, the amount of love that you get, and from people who don't know you. Imagine, they've never met me, they don't know anything about me, but still such heartfelt messages, such heartfelt praises for you. They acknowledge your work, and I think that's such a beautiful thing to see. And I think that's what I've learned from my fans, yeah, कि appreciate करो ना किसी को. Their day is made in a second. So just appreciate people. It's such an easy thing to do. It's not a very difficult thing to just appreciate, like just say like, oh, you look pretty today, or oh, I like what you're wearing. It's such a small thing that you do, but it really kind of improves somebody's mood, changes somebody's mood, So this, after being an actor, I realized that shit, I was not prepared for this kind of love. And Touchwood has been beautiful. I have gained mass audience, and they connect with me, they relate to me, and I think nothing can be more beautiful for an actor if the audience can relate to the actor. So yeah. Hi guys, I'm Anjali Kachari and you guys are watching me on Famizo, and make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Obviously you have to, because I am in the video. Come on, do it.